things to know. Countries around the world. Today we're going to be learning about Denmark, or the Kingdom of Denmark. Denmark is in Europe. The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen. The language people speak in Denmark is Danish. The currency of Denmark is Danish krone. Some famous people of Denmark are Jens Skue and Niels Bohr. Some tourist attractions of Denmark are Tivoli Gardens, Copenhagen, and Lego House. Some other tourist attractions are Kynkenhof Park and Nyhavn, Copenhagen. Some famous food of Denmark is salty licorice ice cream. What is Denmark famous for? One of the happiest countries, Lego, discovery of insulin, bicycle culture, royal family, mysterious Vikings. Now it's time for the quiz. Which of the flags is correct? You have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. This flag is the correct one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.